watch that, please watch it. It's amazing. And let's get started by opening this. Okay. How in the world am I supposed to open this? Oh, some tape is needed. I mean, not tape, some scissors. Silly. Okay. This part of it. Now I just need to open everything else and yeah. And how am I exactly supposed to open this? No. Now I think I'm supposed to open her ears. Let's open her ears. Woohoo! I've got her ears open and la la la. Her ears are open. Now, what else do I need to open? Looks like her wings and her neck. Let's open her neck. Wait. Neck is so hard to open. And I hope I don't break the wings when I do the wing part. Oh. Ay. Oh. Wait, I think I got it. Yeah, look. I wonder if something happens when she does this. Nothing happens. Oh, wait, I forgot the blind bag. I'll back. Get back. Got the blind bag. Wait. Oh, wait. No. This is here. Okay. I wonder what's inside. What is this? Wait, let me open it. OMG, there's a cute ice cream cup. She's gonna eat it. Yummy. Now let's see. There's a lollipop. And there's cute kiss stickers. This is so cute. Oh, wow. Let me just show that. This is amazing. Look at these. Wait. She's gonna eat it. Nom. Now let's. These are super duper cute. So this is amazing, and the tail is cool too. So anyways, she even comes with like this necklace, and I love like she has these kind of clothes now. Anyways, bye guys, see you later. Wait, where's the battery thingy? Well, it's by her leg, I think. Yeah, I definitely think that's by her leg. But anyways, bye guys, see you later. Make sure to like, subscribe, and give a big thumbs up. Bye guys, see you later. I hope you like this video. Mwah. black and it's kind of shining. Her bow is so cute, by the way. That's the cutest one. OMG, I just noticed she has kind of like a eyes of Rarity. Rarity, wait, let me come and get Rarity. Now let's see how like her eyes are. So yay. I'm in the show. Let's see Rarity. Okay. Rarity, she's here. Now this is her eyes. Oh, they look like now. Yeah, I don't feel pink. She has, wait, she even has eyeshadow like her. The Rarity I have is kind of different, but I don't care. Now let's just pop her back in. Oh, back up. Woo, woo, woo. Let it go. La, 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 la. Oh, she's amazing. Oh, the song is so cute, and when you press this, rainbow. Yeah. Okay.